Hey, Espresso lovers, Mark and Todd here at Whole Latte Love. Todd, welcome back. It's been a while.
Thanks. It's good to be back.
So we're going to do some latte art on what machine do we have over
The
here?
Gaggia Cadorna Barista Plus.
And that's doing latte art is pretty unique on a super automatic machine. And why can we do it over here?
Yeah, there's no machines like this. This
Yeah?
is one of a kind. It actually has a real commercial steam wand with a commercial steam tip on it. They usually have Panorella wands. A lot of machines will have the auto frothing systems, which people love. But this has an actual commercial wand.
So we'll get a real close look at you doing the latte art over here. We do have the other Cadorna machines here. Got a link down in the description that takes you through really in-depth review of all the features. Today, we just want to focus on the Barista Plus and how you can do latte art there. So take us through.
So let's dig in. What I'm going to do is here, I'm going to purge the steam wand a little bit. You don't actually necessarily have to do this, but I just wanted to show you that in case you want to do it. So we put in the steam mode. While that's heating up the steam temperature, I'm going to fill my pitcher up here.
I like that. This is a new Fellows pitcher that we have?
Pitcher, yeah, I really haven't used it before. It's brand new.
But it's got markings in there for how much milk? So
exactly. So I have this at 6 ounces for a small cup like this.
Right.
Now this has enough pressure. You could actually use a much larger pitcher and do a 12-ounce latte without a problem.
So yeah, we got the Fellows 12 ounce there if you want to go larger.
Yeah, it's got, this thing has nice pressure and it's non-stop. It just keeps going.
So that's the purge. You get a little any condensation out of there if you want to.
Yep. You notice that people do that on commercial machines all the time.
Yep.
Okay, and I put the tip a little below the surface, but not too much. I also like to put the wand right in the spout here.
Mm-hmm. Nice roll.
Yeah, real nice roll. And so I just kind of lower the pitch a little bit so I hear some hissing.
So the idea is to get a little bit of air in there, but not too much?
Yeah. Now if you want a cappuccino, you'd add more air. We're trying to do something more like a latte. So I like it nice and creamy, like latex paint, kind of. You can see that, it's coming out real nice.
And to do the latte art, you need the really fine froth like this. You can't do that with like an auto frothing Panorella wand.
Correct.
Usually.
Yeah. I haven't been able to. No, remember, I'm not a latte artist. But I'm going to give it a good go. Okay, that's getting pretty warm.
And you go just till the outside of the pitcher gets warm there, about 145?
About 140, yep.
Yeah, okay.
And I'm going to go to my favorites, choose my espresso.
I do love the user interface on the Cadornas. That's something new for Gaggia.
Yep, you see you've got the heart on there, so that's the espresso that was saved.
Okay.
Yeah, so this also brews Americanos, which are really nice.
Yeah, one-touch Americano throughout the Cadorna line, and you know it's a true Americano where it brews espresso and then puts the hot water over top.
Yep.
What all the real coffee guys are drinking.
Yeah.
Nice espresso. Okay.
Okay. Notice a little cup tray here.
Nice.
For the short cups. Okay. Now nice and creamy. So if it's not good latte art, it's not the machine's fault. Go high, then low. Raise it up.
Nice.
Well, that is far from beautiful, but as you can see, the machine can do it.
And it will always taste good no matter what the art looks like, right?
Yeah, because this milk will mix with the espresso just right, and it'll taste really awesome.
One more look. Okay, so yeah, that is a really unique feature, right? I mean, you just don't find that on super automatic machines at all.
That's right.
And again, we do have the link down in the description. It's got full in-depth on all the features. These machines really are incredible values. When you get into these color screens and the really nice user interface that you find on these machines, you're usually going to pay a lot more with other manufacturers than you will for the Cadorna. So Todd, again, great to have you back. Thanks for taking us through latte art on the Barista Plus here. And again, there's links down in the description. Check those out. If you have questions, use the comments. I'll get you detailed answers on that. But come on back soon, and we'll give you more of the best on everything coffee, right?
Yep.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Ciao.